Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download a recovery file from Proton Mail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to download your recovery file from Proton Mail, you just simply have to open up your Proton Mail application. After opening the Proton Mail application, you just simply have to go to the settings, and then click into the All settings from there. After going there, you will see the recovery setting in the accounts. Click into that recovery setting in order to download your file. After going to recovery, you have to scroll down a bit and you will see the recovery file option in the data recovery section. Click on the download recovery file option, and after doing that, your recovery file of Proton Mail will successfully be downloaded into the directory of your computer. Click on this option to view the file. By following these very easy steps, you can easily download your recovery file into Proton Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.